macadamia nut cookies. So I'm going to show you how it is done. So all my ingredients are ready here. So my wet ingredients are here. All the wet ingredients are here, which includes brown sugar, unsalted butter, vanilla essence and 2 eggs. And my wet dry ingredients are some macadamia nuts, which I'm going to slightly crush it because they are too big. And I have got white chocolate chip coins, but I'm going to little bit crush it. And then I've got here flour, all-purpose flour. This is baking soda, and I've got a pinch of salt. So I'm going to start first with greasing the tray. So we're just going to grease it slightly. Then we are going to put the baking this paper. So I just put it on the side here. So I'm going to now keep ready for the cookies. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to switch on my oven, preheat the oven on 180 degrees for around 10 to 12 minutes. On 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, and then meanwhile I'll prepare the ingredients and make the dough for the cookies. So let's start. Okay, so I'm going to start making the cookies. So now I've got some chocolate chip coins, which I'm going to slightly crush it. The chocolate chip coins, I have become like kind of chocolate chips. I've slightly crushed it. And now I've got the macadamia nuts, which I'm going to again do the same thing. Because they are too big, so I'm slightly crushing them. Okay, there we go. So our macadamia nuts are now ready. Few of them are big, few of them, most of them have become smaller in size. So this is ready. Okay, so I'm going to start with the wet ingredient. So first I'm going to add brown sugar. Next I've got here room temperature unsalted butter. Okay, next I've got here 2 eggs. And I have got here vanilla essence. Okay, these are our wet ingredients. Now I'm going to give it a whisk. So there we go. Our wet ingredient mixture is ready. Now we are going to add the dry into it. So I'll show you just now. So dear friends, so our wet ingredient mixture for the white macadamia nut cookies is ready here. So now what I'm going to do is that I am going to add my dry ingredients to it. So look at the mixture. How is the consistency of the mixture? Okay. Now I'm going to do is that I'm going to add my dry ingredients. So here I've got flour. So inside I'm adding some pinch of salt, and I've got here baking soda. Okay, and I'm going to just mix them all. Okay, so now it has mixed properly. And now I'm going to add to the wet ingredient in 2 portions. So here we go, the first portion, and I'm going to thoroughly mix it, and and then I'll add the remaining one also inside to give it a proper mix. Okay, so now let's put the remaining flour and we mix it properly so it's thoroughly incorporated. See, look at it's becoming like kind of like sticky dough, and these cookies are so delicious, and you can see it's becoming sticky. This is what we want. It's supposed to be sticky like this, and these cookies are super yummy. Okay, so look, our dough has all mixed thoroughly with the flour. Can you see that no flour is being seen here? Okay, that's what we want. Look at the sticky dough. Okay, now next I'm going to add this white chocolate. So here is white chocolate goes in. Give it a mix again. Look at how delicious it looks. Now, last thing I'm going to add are the yummy macadamia nut cookies. Nuts. What we are making is white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. So, look at that. Isn't it looking yummy? So, from this recipe, you can make up to like 24 to 30 cookies easily. And look how the dough is sticky, and it is meanwhile also you can see the nuts, you can see the white chocolate chip inside, and this is what we want. Okay, so here we go. So our dough is ready. Now I'll show you how to display in the tray and then put it in the oven to bake. So dear friends, so our dough is ready. Now I'm going to show you how it looks, and we are going to put it in the tray to bake. So what I'm going to do is, here I've got the dough. So I'll take around a tablespoon. The dough is around a tablespoon. Okay, so I'll get it in my hand. I put on my glove, make it like round kind of shape. Okay, and then just flatten it a bit. Okay, and then we put it here in the tray. And I've already kept the tray ready here. So we do like round, and we just flatten it little bit. And in the tray we keep little space, so they have enough space here because they expand little bit once you put down to bake. So we'll repeat the same thing with the whole cookies, and before we bake inside I'll show you right now. So here we go. So our white chocolate chip macadamia nut cookies, I put them already in the tray here. So we have put like 4, so this is like 12. So I'm going to put it in the I want to bake for like 10 to 12 minutes, literally 10 to 12 minutes, and then we'll repeat the same thing with the remaining ones. So here we go. So I'm going to put it in, and I'll just time it 10 minutes. I'm just putting it for 11 minutes, then I'll see. Okay, on 180, and then let them cook. Then we'll come back. So dear friend, our cookies are ready. So I'm going to take it out of the oven, and look at them. They're looking super delicious. And I'm going to be removing them out and putting it on this rack to cool down. So look at them. They're looking super yummy. And then we repeat the remaining the same thing with the remaining cookies. Then I'll show you last. I'll give it a taste and show you. Dear friends, our white chocolate chip macadamia nuts are ready here, and from my measurement I removed around 20 pieces, but if you make a smaller size you can even make up to 30 pieces, but my size is little big here. So look at them, how nice and crunchy they are. And let me show you one, break one and show. Look how it is inside, nice and tasty. And let me take one and little bit and taste it. It's very tasty. If you like my recipe, please like, subscribe, share, and try these macadamia nuts cookies. They're very easy and very yummy. Thank you.